Well, guys, don't need the sunglasses. So guess what? What do you do in weather like this? Guys, I'll tell you what you do. You work inside. Let's get started. guys, that's about all I can do for today. Today is Sunday, of course. Tomorrow's work day. Anyway, ran out of sheetrock. All I have left for this back wall. I'm rocking and rolling with the sheetrock now, boy. Back wall is going to be finished. I got this upper piece done. And the way I've done this is I made myself a pattern with a piece of cardboard. Traced it out. Worked fine. Anyway, it's up there. On the back wall, I got this little section to do. Like I said, I'm out of sheetrock, and I got a little bitty piece over here. I got the sheetrock for it, but I'm just short a little piece of 2x4. So, with that said, during the week, I'm gonna buy me some more sheetrock. I'm short 4 sheets, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front, and that should take care of the front and the back. So, with that said, that's all we can do today, guys. Tomorrow's another work day. And guys, if you like Carl and Dawn's Homestead videos, please consider subscribing. It helps us out a lot. Also, like and comment on our videos, guys. That also helps us out a lot. So with that said, that's about all I can do for today. So we're going to go ahead and call it a day. And we'll see you guys at the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Carl, I'm out.